Bismillah, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Each source has a different type. You will find the first data flow, how to deal with. First, we have to select a source. HR data, I took it from a flat text file source, like this. So it is like you see, it's a text file. Okay, I select this connection with the text file. I see some fields. Okay. Because I have dimension, I select slowly changing dimension to select how to deal with changing of data. I will select data warehouse, which is the destination. So I have the fields of the HR data. I select the primary key. I will select all of attributes. I have three options: fixed, which I'll never change the data. The second type is type 1. I can change the data in the same record if it's change it anytime. Third option, I will add a new record if I have any change. So I'll select the second option. Like this. Okay, next, finish. I'll show a new scene of this data flow like this. I will execute like this. Okay. I have more than 5,000 rows moved from flat text file to the dimension of HR data in the data warehouse. Now we will go to the second flow, the period dimension. I will get the data from the Excel file as a source. I will make a connection, new connection. I will select my text file, which have data about periods of time. Okay, I will load this data, this sheet, which I selected before. I have periods, year, month, quarter, and so on. I will select estimation like we did before, slowly changing dimension. I will select this data warehouse and periods, dimensions. I have to define the primary key. Yes. Okay. Next. Like I did before, I have to select all attributes, and I will select a second option. Okay. Like second option. Next. Finish. Okay. I have to execute. Okay. Yes. I have more than 3,000 rows from Excel to period dimension. Okay, I'm gonna make the third data flow. Take its dimension. Dimension, yes. I'll get the source from a select statement which I have created before. Okay, because I need the data from a combination of tables from the medical treatment database, not from one table. Okay, I'm gonna select the source, MT database. Okay, from here, I'm gonna select SQL command, and I'm gonna paste select statement. Okay, these are my fields which I want. Okay, I'm gonna make the same thing like I did before. Okay, take it, and okay, I have to take. Yes, I have to map the ID from the source to the ID of the destination. Okay, I'm gonna make the same thing like before and select the second option either. Okay, next, 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 finish. Okay, you will execute and it will take a little bit of time, more time than the other table because I have more rows, more tickets. A lot of tickets will be extracted and transformed and loaded to the data warehouse. Okay, I have more than 200,000 rows from the source to the destination. Okay, I'm gonna make the ATL of fact table. Okay, I'm gonna make the same thing, but I have a little bit of changes. Okay, I'm gonna take the data from the combination of dimensions in the same data warehouse and the measure field or data from the source database of MT database. Okay, but I'm gonna make a SQL command. I have predefined select statement which I created before, but it has a limit. I will not get all the data, but I'll get some of data to I have historical data. I'm gonna get the data from year 2006 to year 2013. Okay, where the dimension period T year less than 2014. Okay, so I wanted to test how to get the data in periods of time. Okay, but I'm gonna make the data incremental, increasing in the table of fact table. So I'll try to get some data. Okay, I'm gonna make the destination. normal destination. I'm gonna take fact table. Like this. Okay, I made my source and destination, and I will execute. Okay, no, nothing happened because I have a sequence. So the data flows from 1, 2, 3, 4 steps have to made as a sequence. Okay, I wait for tickets dimension. So the next step will be the fact data. Okay, what happened? Yes, I have 173,000 rows. Not all rows uh, I, I took from the source, but I took the 173,000 rows. Okay, I will modify the select statement and okay, here I'll say get the date that bigger than the max date I have in fact date. Okay, any ticket have a date bigger than or old bigger than the date from the max date from the fact table. I wanna to get from the source to the destination. I have here 59 or 60,000 rows, not all rows, but the new rows which bigger than 2013. I mean, I have to get the rows from 2014, 2015. Okay, okay, I'm gonna create integration service catalog, which is a new database in the edition of SQL Server 2012 and 2014 only, not before that. Okay, I have to make a password. Okay, I have a database created. Here I'm gonna deploy this project to the new catalog database in the SQL Server. Okay, I'll show it the path of the server and the path. I'm gonna create a new folder in this database as a project. I'm gonna name it SSIS MT. Okay, yes, okay, next, deploy. So, gonna back to catalog database. What happened? Yes, I have project. Yes, I have project and a package. Yes, I have my package. So now I can use this package and make a new job in the SQL Server agent to make a schedule to run this job as a period of time, like each day at the night, weekly or daily or monthly or whatever. Okay, I'm gonna make a new job. Or I can make from here, I say script, then I'm gonna name it any name to create a job. It's the easiest way to create a job. Look, okay, there is nothing here set. Yes, I have a new job. I can handle it and modify it to make my schedule as I need. Steps. Yes, I have a command to execute the package. Schedule. I can make any schedule like I need. Anytime, daily, weekly, monthly. Okay, any period. Okay, any period, any at any time. Okay, now I finished the ETL level to get the data from the source to the destination data.